brutal. Oh. All right, so you're going down to the trail?
Yeah, I'll wait there at the parking lot.
All right. Got to top it up before we left.
I was about to say, I wish my gasoline did that.
Yeah. There you are.
Yeah.
$2.85.
Nice.
Yeah. Still a bit foggy, eh?
Yeah, I'm kind of heading back into it here. Not ready to let us go yet.
No.
Jesus. Pay attention.
Lots of Woodbridge, too.
You didn't see that, did you?
No, did you?
I looked at that little cottage, and then I looked back, and there's a curve right in front of me. Can lock the back wheel up with sliding sideways into it. I'm still here.
See, you should be in front of me. I could have caught that on video.
Yeah.
Or maybe you didn't want me to.
Well, that would have been a good one. It's like having your house right on the edge of the road.
Yeah. Oh, cool, a little waterfall or something there. Yeah. Beaver Dam. The Beaver Dam.
Nice spot.
Yeah.
This is where that twister went through a few years ago.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
This is a hard turn here. Little chicane. Oh, look all the trees down. Is that from that?
Yep.
Holy shit.
That's got to be what? 5 years ago?
Yeah. So we're getting close to Highway 7 then.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember that. We had a fall drive through here, and I remember seeing all the, like along 7, I remember seeing all the trees down.
Yeah.
Oh. Whoa.
Thanks for the warning.
Yeah. I was looking at the trees and thinking the road kind of veered right, and it went left. Oh, there's a car in a ditch here. Let's see if they're...
Well, that ain't good.
Oh, looks like they've tried to get out already. I wonder how they did that, if they backed in that way, or... That's too bad. I think, yeah, we gotta go right here. We'll see how much is dried up. It was not too bad last time we came through here, but there's a few puddles.
Great.
You can skirt around them. What did I do?
Oh, puddles.
Oh, yeah. Well, we could skirt around them last time, so I'm hoping it's the same, or they're dried up. Oh, there's a truck on the right. Oh, bike's coming.
Okay.
A couple of KLRs in there, eh? KTM, KLRs.
Yep.
Must be lots of folks back getting their hunting camps ready.
Yeah, I bet. Looking at some of these trailers back in here, and I can't hardly imagine hauling one of them back through this trail to get here.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Take your time and then just leave it. A little bit loose after that bridge. There, now we're back to gravel road.
Cool.
Yeah, that's fun. We got to get Duncan back to try it sometime.
Yeah.
There we go.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
Yep, still there.
Okay. Hitting all those bumps, I'm wondering if I'm going to catapult my bag off or...
Yeah.
Oh, forest access road. Use at own risk. Okay. I think I've only ever been on this road in the winter on the snowmobile.
Oh, yeah? Nice road.
Yeah, this is neat. That's not even on the map, that one on the left.
I can tell you're intrigued.
A little bit of a hill climb, I guess.
Yep.
Just dodging those rocks there.
I went right over them.
Oh, I know where we are.
That's a good thing.
Well, I recognize it from snowmobiling.
Doesn't look the same when it's not white.
That's right. It's loose there.
Yeah. That's going to be a nice spot.
Yeah. Ducks crossing. Bit of a drop off on the left if you miss the corner.
I don't plan on missing it.
Yeah. Log cabin on your right.
Oh, yeah.
Hard right, though, after that.
Oh, yeah.
It's loose there. Well, how was that for an adventure?
That was nice.
Yeah.
I like that one.
That's cool.
Yeah.
We passed that sign last time, and Murray said, well, did they even do summer maintenance on it?
Yeah, clear the down trees. That's about it.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? A frog? Bullfrog. Do you see it?
Yep.
He was just
hurry up.
crawling along, taking his time. That looks like a KTM.
Yep. Very distinctive lights on them.
Yeah. You can sneak a peek right there to the right.
Wow.
That's neat, eh? A yellow tree and a red tree right beside it.
As far as paved roads go, this one's been mint.
Oh yeah, this is an amazing paved road. Look, okay, note that train bridge right there.
Yep.
I will send you a video when I get home of a train crossing that bridge, an old steam train.
Really?
I found it on YouTube. And it was on like old 8mm film or whatever. I think we're making a left right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you make it?
Barely.
I thought I heard some brakes when you went by.
That was a sharp left, Jeff.
Yeah, it was a very sharp left. Oh, that just smacked my camera. I bet you it knocked it out of place. Hard to say. Might be alright. Ooh, she's muddy through here. Well, that answers our question if we're going to avoid puddles. Oh.
Spoke too soon.
It actually looks... Whoa, that's slippery. Don't do that. Another one. Wow, this one's really eroded. You can see where it was flooded all the way up to here at one point.
Yep. Oh!
You alright? Yeah, don't ride the middle.
I got caught in it. I couldn't get out of it.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, that looks dangerous.
Whew.
And we got another crossing. Oh, some big rocks in this one.
Yeah.
shit. How deep? Can't be that deep. Whoa! Whoa! That was deeper than I thought. Now my feet are wet. Ah, that's cold on the feet. Yeah, this area used to be in really rough shape. Oh yeah, you can see, because when it comes to here, they must be finishing it up later. Ugh. Guess we're not going there.
Yeah.
They got it all blocked. Okay. Alright.
I'm okay with the road now anyway.
Are ya?
Yeah, it was just with the way the sun's getting, you're too often losing sight of the trail.
Yeah. You gonna turn it around?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking that looked a little
steep?
Well, the thing is to get stopped up there and watch for traffic and get going again.
Yeah.
Oh! Almost lost her. There we go.
Yeah. That's why I opted to get off. And Highway 7. Should we give her?
Yeah. That's all the give it's got.
Yeah. It's no triumph for ZRX. Well.
That was a good ride, Jeff. Thanks.
Yeah. Thanks for coming. That was a good ride.
Yeah. Got into some tracks I've never been on before.
Yeah. I'm gonna get you up to the other California road.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's up near Pakenham.
Yep.
That was a lot of fun. Anyway,
I know a good lunch spot in Pakenham.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Alrighty, have a good one.
Yeah, enjoy your dinner.
Alright, thanks.